Tradify is a job management platform designed for tradespeople to handle quotes, jobs, scheduling, invoices, and customer information from one place. By the end, you'll know whether Tradify is simple enough for solo contractors and what to check before using it for your business. Solo contractors usually have one major challenge: managing the work and the paperwork at the same time. Tradify is built to reduce the need for separate tools by combining common business tasks into one system. The main question is whether a platform like Tradify makes daily work easier or creates another system to maintain. Tradify focuses on helping tradespeople manage the full job process. That includes keeping customer details organized, creating quotes, tracking jobs, and handling invoices. For a solo contractor, simplicity matters because there may not be an office team handling scheduling, customer follow-ups, or administration. The software needs to be easy enough to use while also saving time. A useful way to judge Tradify is to compare it with your current process. If you manage jobs through notes, spreadsheets, emails, or multiple apps, a dedicated job management platform can help bring everything together. The setup process still matters. Any new software requires time to add information, learn the features, and create a routine for using it. For a contractor, handling a small number of straightforward jobs, a simpler system may be enough. For someone managing more customer requests, quotes, and invoices, having those tasks connected can make daily operations easier. The biggest benefit comes from consistency. When every job follows the same process, it becomes easier to know what needs to happen next and where important information is stored. Before choosing Tradify, check whether it fits the way you already work. Look at the tasks that take the most time, such as preparing quotes, organizing customer details, scheduling work, or sending invoices. If Tradify solves those problems without adding unnecessary complexity, it may be a good fit for a solo contractor. If your business is small but your workflow is already simple and organized, you may not need every feature a job management platform provides. Tradify is designed to make trade business management easier, but the right choice depends on your workload, habits, and the amount of organization your business needs. The main points are simple. Tradify combines important contractor tasks in one platform. Solo contractors should prioritize ease of use, and the best software is the one that removes problems instead of creating more work. Your next step is to list the 3 business tasks that take up the most time and see whether Tradify helps with those specific areas. If this helped you understand whether Tradify is simple enough for solo contractors, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.